guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Well, I got a couple more mouths to feed, so let's introduce them right now.
Yes, come here, you silly.
Okay, this is Thomas. He is a male. He's been neutered. He is, I call him Thomas because he was a doubting Thomas at first. Took him about 3 months to calm this cat down, and now you can see he's just a lovey kitty. So call him Tom for short, but this is Doubting Thomas. Another black cat, not to be confused with Midnight, who is still around as well. Yes, you're a good kitty. And I got this new mouth to feed too. This is a donated van for the gospel mission. Very generously donated by Bethel Church. It is a pretty doggone good shaped vehicle, just needs a little bit of work, so this shouldn't really take an inordinate amount of time to get it ready for the mission. It was vandalized, and you know what, we asked them for it and they were very generous and they just gave it to us, so pretty incredible. So let's get to work fixing this thing up. Heat gun did a really good job. I could still feel there's a bunch of adhesive still on here, so grab yourself some Goo Gone. So you might be asking, well, how is this vehicle vandalized? It doesn't look like there's any kind of damage to it. You know, maybe you got something covered up on the windshield there. But no, it wasn't really vandalized. It was more theft. Theft of anything of value. Including, you might have guessed it, I do believe that is where the catalytic converter went. Well, I think it's time to go from this oh boy, that's a little better. This should be just a little bit more quiet. I like it. Well, it's not the greatest of days to be painting, but I need to get her done. Just fixing all of the paint chips in the very front because I want to put stickers on the front of this. And if you have a paint chip, it'll get underneath the vinyl sticker and that vinyl sticker will come off. So got to repaint this. Couple rust spots, not too bad. Well, there we go. It is not great, but it will do. I use the heat gun to kind of help the paint dry a little bit, and thankfully it quit sprinkling, so I think it turned out pretty good. All right, as I get more of the logos put on, got to fix a little bit of that rust, and I've already taken the old paint back and sprayed it with rust reformer, and I should be able to paint right over that. Fortunately, we got it in time. It has not really chewed through that door. Also sprayed rust reformer on all of this, and that should get it ready for some paint. It's gonna look nice after it's done. Well, as nice as it can be. And yes, there was a problem with this paint. It is so bad, it just wants to come off even with shelf paper. So putting some of these stickers on, it didn't like it, and the paint just came right off. Fortunately, most of the stickers got put on. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. All right, now this is what I call window dressing. It is not perfect, but it doesn't need to be. It just needs to have some of the paint touched up. So that's all I'm gonna do. Just do some touch up. Well, this little touch-up paint job is going pretty good. Yeah, it's going real nice. You can see what it was before. Not so pretty. And what it is now, which is, you know, not bad. Not bad. My OCD is not bothered quite so much now. Sometimes in life, you got to turn the corner to realize that Jesus saves. New windshield is in and looking awesome. And I got the top of the window roof area completed. It doesn't look too bad. Well, I have to say it's been a really good project. Thank you so much to Bethel Church for donating this rig to us. It did need a few things to it, but you know what? It has great bones. I think that it is going to serve the gospel mission community very, very well. Thank you so very much. If you want to support this program, I'll leave a link in the description where you can donate. Even if you cannot donate the treasures that you have for your family, maybe you can donate some time to the gospel mission. We would so much appreciate anything that you're willing to give. If God is whispering in your ear, all you have to do is say, "Here I am, Lord." Until next time, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.